open as usual. Remember, we went by it
Yeah,
10 times yesterday. Okay, road closed.
Road closed.
Yeah, well, you know.
Can't be closed. I think it is closed, actually.
Well, what do we do? You can't. Can you go back the other direction? Is that a two-way?
No.
Literally watching. Don't know what to do. Why does it say max speed 5, road closed, but then...
Well, we can try it.
Okay.
Just can back up. Lord knows I know how to do that. The car doesn't like backing up.
Well, as long as you're not going up a 15% incline. Give way to oncoming traffic. Oh God. You can't go to the left. Hopefully you can go to the right. Nope. It is truly closed. Okay, you can at least turn around. Oh, the bad spot.
Yeah.
Well, we know where we are.
I know all too well.
Okay, so we definitely need the Primark in Bristol. Don't mind us.
It's a half mile away. It's easy. Let's just do that.
We should have just walked.
Could
Oh,
just
no.
park down there.
What's this lady doing?
She's just got apparently a lot of paint.
Come on, poor thing.
So this will be interesting.
Oh, we have to go right.
Oh, we have priority, so I think yes.
Oh dear Lord.
Yeah, we wanted to see the downtown one more time.
Yeah. There's Vodafone. Okay. Do we want to put in the Primark in Bristol?
Tourists, Krispy Kreme truck.